Hi. So in your essay too, you will notice that you've got one source, either Stendhal Ross' TED Talk or the Dalai Lama's article, but that's not your only evidence. Your evidence can also come from personal experience. Okay, so you'll be building your body paragraphs using evidence from your chosen source um, and personal experience. This triple entry worksheet is about shepherding or corralling your evidence from your source article. And if you open it, you'll see that there's a model entry to begin with, and it's got three boxes. So in the first box, that's where you put your golden line, and you introduce it using what we're calling a signal phrase. Um, Yours will sound something like Stendhal Ross makes the point that, and then your golden line. And over in the second box, you're paraphrasing the quote. You're saying, in other words, or what Stendhal Ross is saying is, you're paraphrasing the quote. And down here in the third box, this is the most important box. These are your ideas. This is the most important box. You're commenting on the quote. You're saying why it's a golden line for you, why it's important. Do you strongly agree or disagree? Did it help you understand something in a new way? So these are the three boxes, and when you put them together, which you'll do in the next assignment to make a quotation sandwich paragraph, it'll look something like this, right? This is those three boxes worth of writing formed together in one paragraph. You're going to use those in your essay. So this is an essay from another class. It's a different assignment, but I just want to show you how this essay also required use of a source and personal evidence together. So she has three body paragraphs, and this is her first body paragraph here, and she starts it with personal experience. I attended an elementary school in Chico, and she tells that story. And then she makes a connection to her source here with a quote sandwich. Stevens and Townsend support the idea, that's the signal phrase, that interdependent students can succeed. She should have a period there. That's a little comma place. They say, comma, and there's the quote, and then there's her reflection on the quote. And she does the same thing in the next body paragraph. As a working class student, I have also faced, so she starts out with personal experience, and then she's got a quote sandwich woven into her paragraph as supporting evidence. And so that's what your draft paragraphs this week should kind of look like. They should look like your quote sandwiches and your personal evidence brought together to make interesting connections.